I'm under my parents' visa, but my employer says I am not entitled to paid annual leave. Is that true? No, that's not true at all. So what you were talking about is there's two separate concepts. There is employment and then there is immigration. So being under your parents' visa, that falls under the umbrella of immigration. In other words, you are being sponsored by your parents and not the company. That's just sponsorship. That's for the purposes of immigration, from the purposes of having a legal right for foreigners to stay in the UAE and work. But what the relationship you have with your employer is not under the immigration umbrella, it's under the employment law. So it's just for foreigners in the UAE, those two issues are often intertwined, because for foreigners to work legally in the UAE, you need a proper visa, but they are not one and the same. And now, in light of the recent changes in immigration laws and employment laws, these relationships are a lot more flexible. There are a lot more employees who are now working for companies and don't have companies' sponsorship. So your relationship with the employer is covered under the UAE employment law, and under the employment law, you're entitled to all the same benefits that any other employee would be entitled to, whether they're being sponsored by the company or not. Which means you're entitled to receive your salary, the notice period, your annual leave, your sick days, and all the other benefits that would normally be attached to an employment relationship.